In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine data using unions in Tableau. This powerful feature allows you to bring together data from different sources to create a cohesive data set, which can be particularly useful when you're dealing with multiple tables or files that contain similar data structures. Our goal today is to guide you through each step to seamlessly combine your data and ensure you can work with it effectively in Tableau. Let's get started by opening Tableau Desktop. If it's your first time using this tool, you'll notice a welcoming interface that invites you to connect to a wide range of data sources. For the purposes of this tutorial, you will need to select your first data source. This could be an Excel file, a text file, or even a connection to a database. Once you've established the connection, move over to the data source page. On the data source page, you'll see the table that you want to use to kick off your union. Here's where the magic of combining data begins. You should visually identify the table that you plan to union with. To do this, drag the second table and place it directly below the first table on the canvas. As you align them, look for the Union option to appear. This is your visual cue that the tables are ready to be joined. Once you see the option, release the mouse button to create the union. Tableau will then attempt to align the columns of these tables based on their names. This feature simplifies combining data across different tables, ensuring that even if your column arrangements aren't identical, Tableau helps bridge the gaps. However, sometimes you might encounter mismatched fields. These are columns with different names, but essentially the same content. Not to worry, Tableau has a way to handle this. You can manually merge these by dragging one column header onto another within the union profile. Alternatively, you can make use of the Merge Mismatch Fields option found in the columns drop-down menu. This will take care of aligning the data for you efficiently. To wrap up your union process, remember that you have the flexibility to rename the union or even remove any tables from it if needed. Rename your union for ease of organization and better understanding later. And there you have it, a complete guide to combining data using unions in Tableau. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your data sets with ease, allowing you to focus on the analysis and insights that matter. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.